Yeah. I ain't doing no talking anymore with you snitches. Sideline chirping, but you stuck in the benches. I want a real bitch, not that fake shit. I'ma put it in your chest like your girl's fake tits. Got that Nina in the Glock, shoot you in the spot. Your mouth too small, it must be on Botox. Ain't shit changed but the watch in my wrist. Break these boys off like Stephon Diggs. Got that Gucci and Dior, goons at your door. Your girl on my DM, but I always ignore. I'm a player to the core, in the lab like a chemist. Your bitch back and forth like she playing on some tennis. In the streets, I'm lieutenant. I run it like Emmett. Get that work, then I sell it. You fools just jealous. I don't really give a reason if you haters get offended. Class is in session, all you bitches are suspended. Pay attention. It's the Poepimpin, young Dreco in the back, getting ready with these clips. And I rock the number 2, cause he know I'm the shit. My life a real movie, and this is just a glimpse. I'm sit on 26, I drip and black. I take this shit serious like a heart attack. Call me big dog, cause I'ma run it back. And at the wrecking house, posted up in the trap. Hold up.
Bitch, you only wanted me, I can't be cloned. Been the hardest in the game, little bitch, I'm grown. Yeah, stacking them checks till I reach my goal. Lil' B, stacking my checks till I reach my goal. Gotta keep that five so I can make it home. They niggas saying down the ride, but they really is some hoes. The last nigga try me, put his ass in the blender. Can't play with my guap, gonna swipe your ass like Tinder. Bankroll on bankroll on bankroll. Promise on my mama I'll never fuck a stanko. BDS so bright, but she like the way it dangle. Fuck her so good, got her ass doing the tango. If you ain't speaking money, then you ain't speak my lingo. Pussy nigga get pop, he get shot from all angles. If you ain't speaking money, then you ain't speak my lingo. Pussy nigga get pop, he get shot from all angles. Young and Bali so hard, bitch, I feel like Kareem. Bitch, I'm married to the game, so I get her ass a ring. Yeah, shooting like I'm Steph, but this a 33, Glock 9 on my left, and Nina on your feet. Nina on your feet, kill them odds, you can't compete. Bitch, you can't compete, the only comp is versus me. Nina on your feet, kill them odds, you can't compete. Bitch, you can't compete, the only comp is versus me. Okay. Bitch, you only wanted me, I can't be cloned. Been the hardest in the game, little bitch, I'm grown. Stacking my checks till I reach my goal. Lil' B, stacking my checks till I reach my goal. Gotta keep that five so I can make it home. These niggas saying down the ride, but they really is some hoes. The last nigga try me, put his ass in the blender. Can't play with my guap, gonna swipe his ass like Tinder.